Hi everybody, welcome to this fourth episode of SSS, that is spirituality with Sanjeev and Saurav. Welcome. Uh, it is day and episode 4, and I'm waiting for my friend Saurav to join in. We'll start this session SSS at 5:55 every day. And welcome all the participants. Hi doctor, how are you?
Hi Sanjeev ji, how are you?
Absolutely fine, absolutely fine. Welcome to this day 4, episode number 4.
Hi Shivang, how are you? I think somebody's saying hello to you, Sanjeev, and thank you for all the participants who are joining in and for all the
Yes,
love we've been getting.
Hi Shivang, yes. Good to see you here today on a regular basis, Shivang. Welcome. Absolutely.
So Sanjeev, what are we
So,
talking about today?
Saurabh, today, interestingly, when I was sitting in meditation today morning, I
Mm-hmm.
got a download for this session today morning. So
Okay.
I think I would start directly with that. A बड़ा
Okay,
interesting
let's do
topic.
that. Let's do it.
Interesting topic क्या है कि it is a concept. When I got this download, I was smiling within, and I
Hmm.
want everyone to smile with me and understand what is it. इंडिया में कॉन्सेप्ट है जिसमें जनरली बोला जाता है कि लेन देन की बात करी जाती
Right.
है ना. और अचानक मेरे पास जो डाउनलोड आया वो आया गिव एंड टेक.
Okay.
अब अचानक जब गिव एंड टेक आया और संग के संग लेन देन भी आया, दोनों ने स्ट्राइक करा. आई वॉज ट्राइंग टू अंडरस्टैंड ये है क्या. तो अचानक आज का ही टॉपिक हो सकता था शायद, इसीलिए आया. एंड मेरे को क्या समझ में आया सौरभ, कि हमारी सोच होती है कि पहले ले लो फिर दे देंगे.
Right.
और यूनिवर्सल कॉन्सेप्ट क्या कहता है, जहां पर हम एस 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 स्पिरिचुअलिटी में सिंपल में बात कर रहे हैं, यूनिवर्सल कॉन्सेप्ट कहता है गिव एंड देन टेक.
Right.
एंड टुडेज सेशन आई थॉट वी शुड टॉक ऑन दिस. इसमें बहुत सारी अवेयरनेस आई डॉक्टर, कि अगर हम देखें सिंपल अपने सर्वाइवल की बात देखें,
Hmm.
हमारे लंग्स में, लंग्स इज द पार्ट ऑफ द रेस्पिरेटरी सिस्टम.
Correct.
ना लंग्स में हम ऑक्सीजन लेते हैं और कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड छोड़ते हैं. कभी किसी ने सोचा है कि आप लंग्स में ऑक्सीजन कितना ले पाते हो?
नहीं.
जितना कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड आप छोड़ते हो उतना ही ऑक्सीजन ले पाते हो.
Right. Done.
और आपकी लंग्स की एक कैपेसिटी होती है, एंड साइंटिफिक डेटा कहता है कि पीपल यूज अराउंड 10 to 30% ऑफ देयर लंग्स कैपेसिटी.
Okay.
और अगर हम अपने पूरे बॉडी सिस्टम को देखें, हमारे बॉडी का सिस्टम न्यूट्रिएंट सप्लाई होती है थ्रू ब्लड.
Right.
ब्लड प्यूरिफाई होता है लंग्स में,
Correct.
और लंग्स में ब्लड कितना प्यूरिफाई करेगा डिपेंड करेगा हम कितना कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड पहले देंगे, छोड़ेंगे. और जितना हम लंग्स के थ्रू कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड देंगे जिससे कि प्लांटेशंस को कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड मिलेगा, वो हमारे लिए ऑक्सीजन प्रोड्यूस करके देंगे. एंड जितना हमने छोड़ा उतना ही हम ऑक्सीजन ले पाएंगे.
Right.
This is what I got this awareness today, that if we want to make our life simple, life is every moment spiritual, we have talked this yesterday.
Hmm.
लेकिन इसमें give and then get equally, the concept makes life pretty simple. That's what I say.
Interesting. You say that you must give to get. So, uh, I have heard this before, I've actually practiced it, where instead of taking a relationship, now I'm going to talk about relationship with this. And relationship can be with everything, which I again think we can elaborate that also on that. That when we are when we are giving, there is no choice for the universe but to give us back or
Yes.
return to us. Because the balance of nature has to be maintained. Energy can neither be created nor destroyed. So if you have given energy, there's no choice but for you to get back the energy in some form or the other. So I
Absolutely.
think that's true for manifestation also, and it's true for. So actually, let's talk about manifestation because I'm sure a lot of people will be interested. अच्छा, manifestation की बात की है. Oh my God, that's very interesting. So how I see manifestation is that whenever we are manifesting the old form, which is called the secret and uh, calling in energy, we are actually focusing on our mental energy on the manifestation. So we are giving mental energy there. हमारा
Yes.
focus जो कहीं भी हो सकता था, it's now on this manifestation. So we have given the energy. That is how we are able to get that.
Absolutely.
And as you're saying that, it comes to the thing that before an action can be done for outside from you, you have to act here. So that just keeps on adding. So it's such an amazing concept you've shared that we have to give to get every action. So every reaction, let's put it this way, every reaction actually needs an action first. So you have to
Absolutely.
give to get back. And
Yes.
it's true for anything we do in life. It just continuously flows everywhere. कि अगर मैंने आज एक्शन किया तभी रिएक्शन मिलेगा नहीं तो नहीं मिलेगा कुछ नहीं होगा so give to get
Absolutely. Absolutely.
I think
Thanks,
for
lovely. You
everybody watching
explained
it
it.
here start saying that I have to give to get every morning every minute every hour just keep repeating it to yourself I have to give to get and automatically you start giving and you start getting इससे और सिंपल कोई क्या बता सकता है कि भाई अब आपने दिया जब दोगे तभी मिलेगा in fact
So, Saurabh,
farmer को हाँ जी sorry continue please
yeah, no worries. No, carry on, Saurabh.
now I was saying even with the farmer अगर वो बीज बोएगा तभी तो पौधा आएगा
Yes,
नहीं तो
yes.
क्यों आएगा और कैसे आएगा
तो सौरभ इसमें जो आपने रिलेशनशिप को टच करा तो मैं एक थर्ड एस्पेक्ट भी टच करता हूँ पहले हेल्थ को टच करा आपने रिलेशनशिप टच करा थर्ड एस्पेक्ट विच इज अबाउट मनी
correct
इफ यू नीड मनी you have to know how will we use that money, how will you give that money to someone, because money is not about accumulation, money is about using it. Money
right
is like using for the present and using for the future. But अगर यहीं पर wow, thanks for sharing, this gives us such a lovely download right now that money is also, if you see any rich person on earth who is financially rich are the only people who is giving in abundance.
correct
And that's why they're getting in abundance. See these people, Tatas, Birlas, Bill Gates, Ambani's, anybody, they're paying salaries in lakhs and crores. आपको इतना देगा तो तब जब उसके पास होगा एंड गिव एंड गेट में उसको मिलना ही मिलना है. और अगर हम छोटी सी बात अगर छेड़ूं, हम लोग घर में कई बार अपने हेल्प जो घर में हेल्प हैं या अपने ड्राइवर को या अपने सिक्योरिटी गार्ड को उनको भी थोड़ा थोड़ा हम देने में कंजूसी करते हैं. मतलब एक हंसी की बात है, I went to the market and I was there in the market with my wife to buy something, clothes for our help, दिवाली के लिए. There came someone in and she says, भैया कुछ सस्ते वाला कपड़ा दिखाना, मुझे अपनी मेड को देना है. What a mentality! और अगर यही दोगे तो क्या मिलेगा?
सस्ता दोगे सस्ता मिलेगा I think there's a very great thought in the business world where it says when you feed peanuts, you will only get monkeys.
You'll only get absolutely.
No offense to the monkeys. No offense to the monkeys at all.
No, absolutely.
So I think this is a great concept, great thought for everybody who joined. I think Nilesh has just joined as well. Nilesh, we also welcome you. So to summarize what we just talked about very quickly is that if you give, you get. That is the only rule in life. So if you ever want to get anything, first start looking around, saying what are you giving, and it does not necessarily mean that you have to give the same thing. You can give anything else which society desires. So in business, like you say, if you create a product that the society wants, you will automatically get business. So similarly, just look around you. What can you give? As a giver, what can or एक चीज मैं ऐड कर देता हूँ to summarize this. You can give anything and everything possible. You will
Absolutely.
get. You will absolutely get. So be a giver and you become a getter.
Doctor, you are right. It is not about what you are giving, it is the intention behind giving.
Correct.
And when you have the intention of giving, you get the intention of getting also. Or you get as per the intention. That is it. Absolutely. Thank you very much
Absolutely.
for saying this. Thanks, doctor.
Okay, so I think today our time's up. We keep it short and simple so that everybody gets it. Thank you everybody for joining. And tomorrow both of us will be live from doc.sb. And we'll see you in episode number 5. Wow, and from concept to stage, we already at 5th episode. It's going. Awesome.
Awesome. So we have 7 S. So 3 SSS, 3 555 and episode 5. So 7 S tomorrow.
Wow.
Wow.
That's amazing. That's amazing. I'm sure it'll be more
Okay.
exciting and fun tomorrow.
Yeah.
And I hope everybody's having fun like we are, because we are having a lot of fun doing this.
Thank you, and a lot of calls coming, a lot of messages coming. Keep connected with us. You can write on the chat if you have any comments to share or any question. Feel free, we are there for you. Thank
Perfect.
you.
Thank you, Sanjeev. See you tomorrow.
Bye.